Hi guys. Oh god, why am I not here? What? Oh, I'm there, okay. Wow, none of this is right. My title's right? I don't know. Multivar, tiki. Can I be evil again? I want to be evil. I forgot to set it up, I'm gonna be honest. I would have to... I might be a different kind of evil. I might have to be, yeah, I might have to be like a little bit less. Maybe I'll be like a cool, like, sad world. It's okay. 1 million evil damies in the world, I promise. I can be evil while doing math. Because I'm doing math and that might be a little evil, maybe. Variables can be evil. And we have a lot of variables. Because this is multivariable. Please be evil while doing math. Okay. I'll try my best. Where are the questions? I need to find the questions before I can be evil while doing them. This is my evil evil impression. Do an evil laugh whenever you win? Okay, yeah, I can definitely do that. What questions do I have to do? 17. Oh, dude, this is gonna be so easy. Okay. Gotta get my long legs off the chair. I was all scrunched up. That's kind of evil. Okay, I'm just gonna do these and like, if anyone wants to, okay, like partials are not that hard. I can explain them. My math professor is a very interesting guy. Wait a second. Let me show you guys what he looks like. Just like as like a... I'm gonna draw him real quick. This is an interpretive drawing of him. He has like... I think he has like little glasses. I feel like he has glasses. Here, wait, let me draw him like a little bit more like realistic. Here he is. He's like an older guy. He has a big beard. He has a wonderful beard. It's like very poofy. It's sort of like this. If like this kind of type of beard was like a real life beard. And he strokes it sometimes. He's like, what is this question? And then he has this little he has a little ponytail like this. And I think he has little glasses as well. This is him. He's like literally the guy ever. And he is my math guy, Pino. This kind of looks like Pino. I feel like I'm just drawing Pino. No, he's not Pino. He's not Italian, he's Japanese. Also, he was doing something. Oh, he was telling us about how you can do different methods for solving like integrated, I guess is one way to say it, equations with like multiple variables. He was like, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Meow. And he went meow in the middle of the lecture. So that's why I think is he friends with Pino? He could be. He could be besties with Pino. He's just like a, he meowed? Yeah. Meow. I was so stunned. Also today, because I had a lecture with him, he was like, how old are you guys? Under 20? How long do you have left to live? Maybe 70 years? Maybe 60 years? That's pretty good. He's like, he's not as crazy as my IME professor. He managed to like, this is the guy who, okay, I made 2 metal horses in his class, so like that was pretty cool. Like casting, like metal casting. My manufacturing class, industrial manufacturing engineering. And like this guy, he managed to mention his ex-wife and his dead brother in the first 10 minutes of class. Like, he was just taking roll. And somehow he managed to just, like, get that in there. I don't even know. It's like, that's impressive at that point. It's like, you have really good transitions. Anyway, partials. We have to do two things. We have to do with respect to let's just call this like Z. Yeah, we'll call it like what's a good letter, chat? Should I call it M? Should I call it D for Damie? We can't call it D. Then it's gonna be like D of D. What about L? No. W? No. I feel like Y. I feel like Y is good because it's like X and T. Okay, so we'll have dy, dx. And then that's pretty easy. So we just treat this as a constant. So that's how a constant works. And then we do e to the negative x times -1. That's gonna be negative t squared e to the x. And then we'll do the other one. dy. Okay, also my curly d's are not the best. I'm gonna be honest. I have to make my other d's really straight. Because I just kind of like go like that. But, you know. We try. So this would be 2t e to the negative x. Easy. Easy. Easy peasy. Not even a challenge. Hopefully it doesn't get too much more challenging, actually. I'm gonna regret that in, like, very soon. Okay. Z equals ln of x plus t squared. C dx. Okay. So ln is 1 over all this stuff times the derivative of this stuff. So with respect to x, that's just gonna be 1. So that's pretty easy. That's nice. I wonder if there's literally only partials. I could have sworn when I looked at this the last time, I was like... I looked at it and I was like, I can't do this, but I think I was just looking at the wrong numbers or something. Because we did this like last week. These are not easy things. They're not hard things. Okay, so the beginning of this is still the same because we have a thing in here, so we got to do the thing. But this time we have to multiply it by 2t. Chillin'. Straight chillin'. Straight. Okay. I hope this is not like a 10-minute stream. That would be really awkward. Okay, g of u v equals u squared v minus v cubed to the 5th. So I guess we can just call it dg du. All right, so the derivative of something with a power rule, right? We do 5. We bring down the 5. We do all the shit inside it. We just keep that the same, and then we bring that down there. Now we're gonna do the inside part. So this will just be 2u v. Oh, is that a u? That's a v. Dear Lord, that's the worst part about linear algebra. Is even though this is not linear algebra, it's trying to differentiate between u and v. It happens a surprising amount. Okay, and then we'll have to do u squared minus 3v squared. U. Look at that. Look at how sweet and nice these are. These are like just like little. Oh, I just did no, okay, good. I did 25. I thought I did 23. I'll say these are so nice and chill. They're like little baby problems. Okay, maybe I shouldn't say that they're baby problems. And getting a giant ego, like, ha, I can do these so easily. No, they're fine, they're fine, they're good, they're fun. They're better than physics right now. I figured out all the phase constant stuff, by the way. I did a bunch of phase constant stuff because I was like, oh god, I have to know how to do phase constants. And so turned out great. All right, cosine of all this stuff. times the inside of this is just cos theta. There's not a lot of work I can show for these, which is a little scary, but I love Tulip music so much. Just R. Nope, sorry, I lied. Negative sine theta R. Negative R sine theta. Is that right? Yes. Are they just like some really good problems? Uh-oh, I saw tan inverse. Oh no. All my homies hate tan inverse. Tan inverse. EQ squared. Okay, we'll do P first, I guess. This 1 over 1 plus EQ squared times the derivative of this, which is just going to be Q squared. And then if we do this, EQ. We do another one of these. I'm just going to say P squared Q to the 4th. Times, that would be 2 UP. Damn, I'm kind of ripping and tearing through these, except there are a lot of them. Hey, I'm down. It is easier than writing an essay, which is the other thing I have to do. Ooh, okay, this is a juicy one. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Okay, this is a good one though. All right, so du with respect to x would be, we have x to some power, right? So we take the power down, y over z, x to the y over z minus 1. Then we have du with respect to y. Now, if I remember correctly, this is just a straight up thing you gotta know. It's like E, if you have like, sorry, if you have the derivative of y, it's not, there we go. If you have the derivative of like 5 to the x, this is gonna be 5 to the x ln 5 times x, the derivative of x. I think. Let me check that. How am I gonna check that? Oh, I have my book. Alright, so let's see. Sorry about this. Where is my book? That's not it. Was it an orange day? Let's see. No, that's the wrong thing. There we go. Give me a sec. All right. This is just one of those things you gotta remember. I mean, you can prove it. It's not like you can't, but it's just nice to know off the top of your head. Yes, yep, 5 to the x times ln 5, and then so that means that in this case, take off my jacket here. We'll have, so we take the same thing. So we'll do x to the y over z times ln of x, because that's our 5 is our x. And then we want to take the derivative of this. So in this case, it's 1, right? So it's just ln 5, 5x. But for here, this with respect to, oh, whoa. Is that a follow message from right now? That did not give me an alert? Thank you for the follow, Lonely Loser 75. I hope you're not, oh, it just is a really belated alert sound. I hope you're not too lonely. This is what I'm gonna see. Let me check. I think we did a problem that was literally this exact problem. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see. Okay, it wasn't that exact problem, but it was pretty close. Where does this song come up in Tulip? Okay, I don't know. There's some weird music in Tulip. Okay, 40. Let's see, what have we got? What have we got? What kind of fun stuff have we got? Oh no. Oh. U equals sine of x1 plus 2x2 plus ... nxn. Okay. All right. We're gonna do it like this. So du dxn. So for any n. Let's start with the easy thing. Is if you have sine, right? You're always gonna have cosine of all this shit. So we don't have to worry about that. Plus n xn. Now we have to multiply it by the partial derivative of this with respect to xn. So this is actually just going to be this, right? Because for each variable, if it was x1, it'd be 1. If it was x2, it'd be 2. So it's just going to be times n. It's not actually that bad. It looks kind of scary, but I mean, if these things were all multiplied by each other, oh, we'd be wrecked. We would be donezo. But it's okay. All right, implicit differentiation, big win. All right, so we need to find. Well, let's write it down first. Plus, this music is too scary. Implicit differentiation isn't that scary. We need to find dz dx and then dz dy. So we'll do this one first. Oh my god, that's fucking, what the hell is happening? This is like Tom and Jerry ass scene. Partials are beating each other up. What song is this? Oh, I think it's the one where Lady throws pots at you. I need to turn that down for me. No, wait, I need to turn that down on my end. Oh my god, it's so down. How is it? Never mind. It's good. We're good. This is a good song. Okay. dz dx, that means that z is a function of x, right? So we'll start by just doing the stuff we can do. So x, right? We know the partial of x is x squared is 2x. Y is nothing because it's y, and y is an independent variable, not related to x. But z is, so when we take this, we'll have to do 3, well, not 3. We'll have to do the normal derivative of z, so that'll be 6z times dz dx equals 0. Because 1 is 0. Just in case that wasn't clear. So this will be 2x on this side equals 6z, or equals dz dx 6z. Does that make any sense? I feel like maybe. I'm gonna star this one to check later. Equals 2x over 6z. Oh, actually, you know what we can do, chat, is we can check this really easily. Because we can do this with the chain rule. So there are two ways to do implicit differentiation like this. We can either do it this way, where we sort of say, okay, z is a function of x. We want to differentiate everything with respect to x, like as a regular partial. Or we can smush this all into one function. So we'll write it, I'll write it like this. Z squared minus 1 equals 0. And then what we can do, oh, I forgot the evil laugh after. I will be evil. Okay, so the next step is we need to take the partial with respect to, okay, if we want to find, what do we want to find? dz dx, or this is equal to negative f with the derivative with respect to x over the derivative with respect to z, But this one, we don't treat z as a function of x. We just regularly differentiate. So what happens is you get negative 2x over... I don't know what this voice is. I just turned into like professor. That's like weird old professor. Over, what is that? 6z. Yeah, but it's negative. Why is it negative? Fuck you. Wait, why is that negative? That shouldn't be negative. Oh, wait, it is negative. I lied. That's why we gotta check, chat. That's why you gotta check. Because I moved this shit over here and then I didn't do the negative. So it's x over 3z. But it's good. It's a sanity check. I don't need to check it anymore because that's right. I thought it was too easy. Another day's good work. That's not evil. That's not evil. What's like a... It's like a good evil voice, chat. What kind of characteristics do you associate with like an evil guy? Like I feel like to be like evil, you have to be like, oh, oh. Use implicit differentiation. You sound like the SpongeBob parrot for a second. Oh my god. I gotta end my streaming career. I'm done. That's it. That's it. I'm over. It's over. Can't do anything about it. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I didn't find dy. Oh god. So that'd be 4y plus 6z times dz dy. So dz dy equals negative 4y over 6z. You know, sometimes I just wonder if people from my classes have just ever found my streams. Like, I know that the likelihood of that is so slim. Like, why would anyone ever go onto Twitch and be like, well, what if you just, like, went on someone's stream and they were just in your class and you, like, sat next to them? Like there was this one, I was like gonna explain like directional derivatives to this one guy, and I was like, oh, if you have any questions, you can just like ask me. And I was just like, at what point do I just give you my stream? Like, I just explain everything on stream anyway. Maybe it's because I'm a cat boy, and then if I did that, then people would be like, what the hell? What the hell is this guy doing? Anyway. I need to do what? dz dx. Okay. Alright, so we need to do, that would be e to the z times dz dx equals, and now we got to do, since this is a function and this is a function, we do have to do product rule. What can you say, right? So we can just do this. We can just do like, let me just like write this This is y times xz. So the derivative of x is 1, so this will be z plus x dz dx. And now we got to do a little substitution. Not substitution at all, I lied. Little, like, factoring? What is that called? I'm just gonna do that so I don't have to deal with it. So on this side we'll have e to the z minus xy dz dx equals yz. So dz dx equals yz over ez minus xy. This is the sad song. Man, okay. I need better music. Chat, what should I listen to? Chat, what should I listen to, chat? Nothing that will give me copyright striked. If you say something like I don't know. If you say something that gets me DMCA'd, I'm gonna cry. All this, wait, second partial derivatives? Oh no, uh-oh, we have to do one of those. Wait, what? Uh-oh, there's a sine function. Oh. What? Oh, never mind. We'll look at that later. No, it's zero opinions on what music we should listen to, chat. Okay, fine. Alt DJ. I haven't listened to Super Paper Mario in like a million years. Not a million years. I have not listened past, like, I don't know. Well, we start with like Mount Lineland. Yeah, some Western ass music. I'm gonna turn this down. I'll turn it up for you guys. There we go. Just a good old jaunt across the desert of math. And then we go and fight a dragon whose name means fractal. I love that guy. He was kind of sad. All of Super Paper Mario is like a little sad. Average Paper Mario fans, when they see a piece of paper. Why can't I pog, bro? Okay. My tracking is... I think I have a... I would say I think I have a toggle to pog. I do. I have a poggle. A pog toggle. Okay, so e to the z. This is going to be the same thing, but extended to this is going to be dy. Then we've got, on the other side, basically the exact same thing. This is the same thing as x times yz. So this will be xz plus xz WOOOO nuzzles you. Okay. I think I'm banned from the English language for saying that. X. Alright, then we'll bring this over, e to the z minus yx. Wait. Oh, it's the exact same thing. That seems a little... Oh, it's not the exact same thing. I lied. It's like close to the same thing, you know? It's just that there's an X up here. Cool. I wrote dy twice. There we go. xz over e to the z minus... Dope. Alright. We're doing pretty well, chat. What have we've been only been doing this for half an hour and we've got like half of them done? Hell yeah. We got more than half of them done. Maybe about half of them done. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll just put this as... Gotta name my files. Oh, you guys can't see my file names, thank God. Oh, yeah. This song is a fucking banger. I gotta steal this music for when I DM. It's just so good. It's so wacky. Okay. Oh, I've got to be evil. There's my evil quota. My mic just turned off. I was so evil, my mic just actually broke. Okay. Sure. Thanks, God. E to the -2 r cos theta. So I have to find the second partial derivative. Why would you ever make someone do that? Like, what purpose? Like, just for fun? I guess. DT. I guess we'll do it then. So this will be e to the -2r times -2 cos theta. And then d squared t over dr squared. I genuinely forget how to write second derivatives. How do you write a second derivative? But well, I don't know, it's for like Leibniz or something? Or did I just make that up? I might have just made that up. D squared. Yeah, okay, dx squared. Bam, bam. Oh, chunks. Oh, chunks. My guy. 2r times -2. I mean, it'll be another -2, so it'll be 4 cos theta. And then we'll do d. Like, what is the point of this? You could have just given me a different equation. Oh, whatever. I guess we're not supposed to ask those kind of questions. For this one, this will be e to the -2r, negative sine theta. And then dt, d squared t d theta squared. This will be e to the -2r, negative, and then cos theta. Dope. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can hear those Discord notifications. I can hear them. Who's pinging me? I don't know. No one. Here we go. Okay, 57. No, it's another one of these. Bro, not the second derivatives. I mean, they're fine, I guess. Scoffs. This one is v equals sine s squared minus t squared. Because they love torture and pain. Kidding. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just a little complainer. I'm just a little hater sometimes. So this will be cos times 2s. Ooh, okay, that is a little bit more annoying. We do have to do product rule. Ooh, I hope you guys couldn't probably could hear that. The s squared. Okay, so let's do the first one. The easier one, the 2s. So we'll do 2 cos s squared minus t squared plus 2s times negative sine s squared minus t squared times 2s. Yay! Doesn't that look so awesome? Aren't you so glad we did that? That was sarcasm. I don't know. These just get really long when you start doing like second derivatives. Because you get product rules and then more product rules and... yeah, well, whatever. Okay, so we still go to this. At least this is going to look like very similar. We can literally just lift this, but change the t's to s's, I think. So we wanted to say dv dt. We can do 2 cosine s squared minus t squared. That'll stay the same. Plus 2t negative sine s squared minus t squared. 2t. You know, I could combine these. I should combine these. Let's do 4t squared. Or I could be evil. Should I be evil? Should I leave them as 2t and 2t? It's not, I mean, I guess that's not a particularly evil thing to do. I am the guy, I'm like that guy who just leaves a lot of his answers, like, not combined neatly. Because I'm like, you can combine them in your brain, okay? We're here to see if we got the right process, not if we, like, can make stuff look pretty. Everything broke. We're good. I'm fine. All right. I mean, we're totally gonna get these done. I guess I didn't have a lot of faith that that was gonna be possible, but all right. Oh, never mind. No, I'm kidding. This is like when you walk into a room in like Resident Evil and the guy fucking pops out from around the corner and you're like, holy fuck, I did not think that you were gonna be here. D cubed V for ds, dt, and dr. That is what that means, right? Oh, wait, what? Okay, that's worse. Wait a second. What is the... What? How does that make any sense? It's asking, like... Is it just multiplying them all together? What number is this? This is 68? Okay. Let's see. I'm not cheating, chat, I swear. We're gonna go and see what the answer looks like for 67, because I don't know what they want us to do. If they just want us to smooch the derivatives together, that would be really silly. That'd be kind of goofy. That'd be kind of funny. Hope you guys are having a good day while I'm just scrolling a little bit. I hope that if you started a new quarter or semester recently, or you're about to, that it goes well. Always a little bit nerve-wracking. All right, this is 14.3. So for what we're looking at, 67. So it's one equation. And it looks sort of like... Let me see if we can find anything that's on like multiple with the... Whoa, this is weird. Ugh. Oh, that's just Laplace. Oh, Laplace's equation. Second order differential. What is this? Yeah, this music is real. So if you take the if you take the partial of a partial, you use the... Oh. If you take the other partial of a partial you already have taken, then that's how you get the like weird ones. So like if this is asking for Let's try and do 67 first before we do 68, because I think that might tell us if we get it right or not. So 67 is W equals square root. Kind of hate that, but it's fine. What this means is that they're asking us to take, and they're asking for d cubed W over du squared dv. This means they're asking for 2 partials of u and 1 partial of v. I wonder if the order matters. Does the order matter? I feel like it definitely should matter, because you're gonna like get rid of v probably. Oh no, unless it's dependent on you. Is it? I don't think so. Huh. Should we just say fuck it, we ball, because I don't want to do this square root, because square roots are some of the worst derivatives to do in my opinion. I think that's what we're gonna say. Is I think we're gonna say fuck it, we ball, and just go for it. So we gotta take 3 partials. We gotta take it with respect to s, and then we'll take it with respect to y, and then we'll take it with respect to t. SR. I don't know why I read y. Okay, so the first thing. Oh no, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Because this is a natural log, so we gotta put all this shit on the bottom anyway. And then we're taking it with respect to s first, so this will just be 2s. That is dv ds. So now we want to take the partial with respect to r, I guess, which sucks. I want to rewrite this actually a little bit. Let's do this instead. R plus s squared plus s squared plus t cubed to the -1 times at 2s. That's a lot better. Because then we can say this. We can go negative r plus s squared plus t cubed to the -2, right? To the -2. And this is a constant times 2s. Times, well, we'll leave the 2s last. Times, right, the derivative of this, which is just 1. Times 2s. And this is dv squared ds dt. To be fair, he didn't teach us this, so, you know. Now we're gonna do dv cubed ds dt dr. Wait, fuck, wait. This is not ds. Wait, did I do it with respect to s? I did this one with respect to r. Woof. Woof. Okay. We bring this down again. This is going to give us a +2. R plus s squared plus t cubed. -3. We take the derivative. We're taking the derivative with respect to t. So it'll be 3t squared times 2s. Yippee! There we go. That's our answer. Hopefully. If it's wrong, yippee! Here, I'll draw a little yippee. Do you think my professor would like a little yippee? Like a really little one. Whoa, that's a little scary. It's a little scary. Should I make him like sit down? He's gonna be like, what is this? What are you drawing? Actually, no, the grader is gonna see this. Never mind. I forgot that he doesn't grade them. There you go. Do yippies have mouths? They do, right? Here, we'll give it a little snout. What is this? This is a little yippee for my... Oh god, it looks a little scary that way. I want it to be like a borzoi. Yippee! He's perfect in every way. Hey, he's just like my shoulder Pinot. I'm also realizing my professor, like, the way I drew him, he really did look very close to Pino. How did I manage that? Like, they don't look anything alike. They really don't. I definitely didn't, like, do necromancy and bring Pino back and then get him to, like, teach me multivariable calculus. That didn't happen. I swear. Pino on the mind. Pino on the brain, man. This is Pino. What if Pino looked like this? What would you do? Pino just looked like this. He's just some guy. The implications of this is silly. He's just some man. I guess this is kind of what Pino looks like, in a way. If we discount what Pino looks like, right? If we don't pay attention to that. This could be anyone. This could be Santa Claus. If you really think about it. Anyone can be Santa Claus. Oh, we're getting to that point. I haven't even been streaming that long and I'm getting silly. This is exactly what Pino looks like. Well, I killed him. He's dead now. The second I make one brushstroke, Pino can never come back. It's okay, he's here. He's like a wizard. He's like a magical wizard. Of math. I feel like Pino would burn me at the stake for saying that. With his little magic wand. Draw BTS? Oh, I can draw BTS. BTS does not like doing math. He is he's a math hater, sadly. I forget how I draw him. I forget where his eye thing is. I think it's there. I love BTS. Oh, I didn't show you. Oh, Rev, did you see the hot sword he got? He got a hot sword. Actually, maybe you did see him. He got a hot sword. He also stole some money already. This is BTS. He's really bad at everything, actually. Which is kind of an issue, but it's not that big of an issue. But he's awesome. He's my son. I did see. I just needed you to know that he has that guy. That's important. It's in his brain up there. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I? I don't know. That's BTS. I gotta get this off this page so the grader doesn't have to see my BTS. It's so confusing trying to explain to people overhearing me talk about my D&D character that his name is BTS. Like, I'd be like, no, I'm not playing a group of guys. Like, leave it. Just an indecipherable drawing of a man who's a wizard and then BTS. He also, I don't know if I can say that on Twitch, actually, never mind. There's new BTS lore dropped. That's all I'll say. Let me, yeah, there we go. What am I doing? Okay, what's after 68? 76. The lore. Yeah, there's new lore. If you can believe it. Oh god. Oh no, not a Laplace equation. We literally didn't do this. Uh-oh. Okay. Determine whether each of the following functions, this is a 6-part question, is a solution of Laplace's equation uxx plus uyy equals 0. That's u doubled partial. Wait, what? Determine whether each of the... This is such a stupid question. Determine whether each of the following functions is a solution of... Okay, I gotta scroll up. Fuck me. Laplace... They needed second order, and then if you add them, they equal 0. Okay. Okay, we just gotta do a bunch of partials. That is what this stream is called. Wait, no, it's called We're in 3 dimensions. I lied. We're kind of in 3 dimensions, not really. A x squared, okay, u equals x squared plus y squared. U x equals 2x. U x x equals 2. U y equals 2y. U y y equals 2. If you add them, it does not equal 0. No. 2 plus 2 does not equal 0. Okay. Glad we agree on that one. U equals x squared minus y squared. Okay, well, I don't even need to do the other part of it. So uxx equals 2. Uyy also equals -2. I don't even need to do that one. Yippee! It equals 0. Hope you guys are enjoying the background noise. I'm very much, like, today it's just plug it and chug it. I did not realize we'd do this many problems. Normally I wouldn't do, like, this many. I also would never choose a problem like this, but it's not on me this time, so... Okay, x cubed plus... I think this is going to be a no. 3xy squared. Okay, this is 3x squared plus 3y squared equals 6x plus nothing. This is I'm trying to multiply 3 times 2. 6x y. It doesn't equal 0. They're both positive. No. Yes. Don't even have a chance. Oh god. ln of square root, bro. Okay, take it one part at a time. So 1 over this whole massive thing, x squared. No, we're not gonna do that. I lied. We're gonna say x squared plus y squared to the -1/2. So we do that first. Then we do this, which will be times 1/2 x squared plus y squared to the -1/2. Can you pull out the... You're so real! Oh my god. Dude. Or does that mess with the domain? I don't think it does. Dude, you saved my life, bro. Blubba out here fucking saved my life. You're not even in, bro. You're not even in the... You're not even in, like, this level of math, and you're like, oh, can you just pull out the 1/2? Yeah, you fucking can. Hell yeah. Oh my god. I don't think it messes with... That's actually a really good question. If I get this wrong because of that, I think he'll be like, oh, haha. What an interesting thing to do. Because, like, there was one question I asked where if you have x to the y to the z, and you're trying to like take the partial with respect to z, these are both constants. So I was like, can you treat these as one constant to the z? And then he was like, no. And I was like, okay. But he was like, it's a very good question. So x squared plus y squared. I don't think it matters because they'll both be positive anyway. They might not be positive. Oh, because you mean the, because the square root, yeah. I was like, why would they both necessarily be positive? But they will be, yeah. So then we take the partial with respect to x, so that would be 2x. Then we do this again. This is just stupid town USA. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. I hate doing busy work. And then... No, we have to do chain rule? No, there's no way. There's no way. Okay, before I do the second one, let me at least look at this. Let's look at this like sort of logically. So what's gonna happen with UY is we'll get 1/2 the same thing times 2y. No, the signs will be the same, I'm pretty sure. Right? There's no way for the signs not to be the same. Because what you'll do is we'll do like 1/2. I don't think this will all cancel out if I have 2 of these. That's my gut feeling. Because this will be -1. Right, times this. Oops, not that. Oh god. That. Times 2x, whatever, plus 2 times all that stuff. Oops. I mean, I guess I could just do this out, because it's just gonna be x squared plus y squared to the -1. But I don't think that's gonna, like, cancel, right? Like, what would cancel here? You're gonna have 2 things with negatives that are the same thing. I'm gonna say it doesn't equal 0. I think you need to have something minus something else. Oh my god. I don't know the derivative of... What's the derivative of a hyperbolic cosine? I don't know that. Oh god, these ones. This is the real Dark Souls boss that pops out, and you're like, oh shit, that guy was only the minion. It was a big yellow minion coming at me, and now the large minion. It's like Diglett, where it's like, oh wow, it's just a little minion, and then he stands up and like he's so buff and like he's got so many muscles and he's still like, yippee! And that's this problem. And he's so ripped. He's got giant rippling pecs. Can I draw pecs on Twitch? That doesn't matter. It's important. The minion. Just gonna keep that there. Like his head is like in the ground. Sort of like this. Yeah, I think that's accurate. Yawn and stretch. All right, these are more like normal though. So ux is gonna be cosine x cosine hy plus minus sine x sine hy uxx will equal negative sine x cos hy minus cos. What? I tabbed away to be gaming? Oh, you don't like the... Who are these men? It's the minions. It's them. They're here. They're here to cause trouble. With their big gains. I don't know what's the derivative of cos. What is cos h derivative? Oh dear lord. What? Wait, what? Oh, never mind. I got so scared. I was like, oh no. Glad. I got so scared they were just gonna like... I saw some e to the x's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There are e to the x's. No. No. Oh, wait, what? Wait. What? Okay. They just turn into the other function. I actually never learned hyperbolic functions. I'm gonna be honest. I have never used them, and I've never learned them. And I see them come up at some points, and at this point I'm too afraid to ask. Oh god, I just cramped my leg up so bad. Oh no. Oh no. Avoiding alpha gaming when not alpha gating gets PCs in trouble. What does that mean? I love looking at Stack Exchange different like questions on the right. They're just so random. How many grandchildren does Joe Biden have? Like what? Why is that on this question about the derivatives of hyperbolic functions? What? This is trying to match up a new seat for my bicycle and having difficulty finding one that will work. Would Marx consider salary workers to be members of the proletariat? I don't know. Help me, Matt. Stack Exchange. Sure. Okay. I'm back on track, I swear. This would be sine x sine hy plus cos x cos hy. So the only difference is that these ones don't change signs, so I think they will actually cancel out. Because this will be sine x cos hy plus sine x, nope, cos x sine hy. Yes. Here, I'll circle on my little... I'll bubble on my little... Oh god, that one was a pretty long bubble. 6x plus 6x doesn't equal 0. Alright, one more. No, I lied, there's 2 more. Wait, was that E? God damn it. I was drawing the minion men in the way. I thought it was a longer problem than it was. Okay. Oh no, it's just one more. It's not G. That might have been really loud. I'm so sorry. U equals e to the negative x cos y minus e to the negative y cos x. This one is probably gonna be good, I'm gonna guess. This will be negative e to the negative x cos y minus, oh god, minus, no, plus e to the negative y sine x, and then uxx. Anything with like sign changes will probably be 1. This will be e to the negative x cos y minus e to the negative y cos x. Wait a second, when you take cos, it doesn't change the thing. Wait, yes you do. Wait, sine regular goes to cosine regular goes to negative, yeah. So this was cosine negative goes to regular sine. Yeah, that's right. Oh. Okay, so we'll do negative sine y e to the negative x. That looks like a word. Plus e to the negative y cos x. Negative cos y e to the negative x minus e to the negative y cos x. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it cancels out part of it, but not the other part. Hell yeah. Wait, positive sign Y doesn't switch sign. There we go. I almost did an X there. This looks insane! Chat, this looks insane. I can't turn this in. I just looked at it like, oh my god, they're so big! Look at how big they are! Look at how big BTS is! He takes up more space than like the whole first problem! Okay, okay. 83. Oh, I just looked at the answer. That's not what I wanted to do. Wait, is it 83? Yeah. Oh. We also did this question in class. Resistances. Total resistance. Turn it in? Oh my god. You're so evil. I need to find R1. You're so scared, huh? Yeah, I'm scared. What if you were a grader and you didn't know what this was and you saw this? What would you do? You would get scared. You'd be like, oh my god. This is fucked up. I mean, if you saw this, you'd probably be like, okay. But then you saw this, and you'd be like, oh no, oh no. He needs to look more, like, insane. There we go. He needs to have a little bit of, like, a little bit of scruffiness. There we go. I just love that he's an airplane and no one mentions it, ever. Okay, how do we do this? I can do implicit differentiation. Or I could flip everything and just do regular. That seems like the easiest way to do it. So we'll do R equals like this. Do the -1 and then do this. And we get. So first we do the -1, so minus all this stuff. R1 -1 plus R2. This is just 1 over R. I know I can do this because there is a hack we did in class for that. Normally you just write out all this. But then the derivative of this, which is -1 R1 -2. So what you get is a positive, right? And you'll get... Wait, that's not what I need. Let me do this again. Oops. My pen pressure, there we go. Okay, so we take that down, we do R1 -1 plus R2 -1 plus R3 -1 to -2 times, and then the derivative of this whole inside thing with respect to R1, which is just the derivative of this. So that would be minus R1 to the -2. Now, this is 1 over R, so we have negative 1 over R to the -2 times... Oh, okay, yeah. Times negative R1 to the -2, so this is going to look like R squared over R1 squared, I think. Check that. Yes. Oh my gosh, hi Clem, how are you? How's it going? Damie Poo. What a lovely nickname. I'm not being sarcastic. I know when I say I'm not being sarcastic, it probably sounds like I'm being sarcastic. But I'm good, I'm chilling out. I just realized I typed Cholp, O-S-T. That there's no I in there. This isn't even Chulip music. Just Cholp. Lifts my hair and walks away. Thank you, Sethi, my boo bear. Sorry, my boo-boo bear. Where the heck did I write this resistance thing? Cholp. Me when I cholp down on some delicious, yummy... Yeah, this is right. Wait, why is it Y? Oh, because they just said Y instead of R1. Love to cholp. Long time gulper, first time cholper. Maybe I shouldn't say those words. Maybe I should actually retroactively take that one back. Yeah. It's when you get together with the boys and you guys be cholping. I feel like cholp is like an action that is like, you know? I've just drawn the baby from Rugrats. What is this? This is fucked up. I don't know what I was trying to draw, is the thing. What is this? What is this? I think what I was trying to draw was like... But this is somehow worse. Oh, Damie, he's so beautiful. This is worse. The two cholpers. That's just Kermit now. Okay, I guess these are cholpers. This is my new son. I really don't want a new son. Cholp. That looks like one of these guys. These are like Adventure Time, like mutants. These are like when the people go in the toxic sludge and they like turn into like fucked up mutants. That's what Cholp is. And this like they'll have like little like legs or something. This is your new son. You just brought him into the world. They're not my sons. They're scary. Look at them. Look at them. This is kind of messed up. So cute. I don't like them. I don't like them. I'll adopt them. You can have them. I don't know what to do with them. Here, wait, I'll give you one more. Let me just think of the word cholp real quick. Here's another one. They're kind of facing this. My cholper nation, they'll live in my walls. My cholper. Cholp. Dude, if I turn this into my grader, they're actually gonna like fail me for being like too weird. They're like, what the hell are you doing? They're gonna see this. You're gonna see this guy. And then they're gonna go down and they're just gonna see this. They'll be like, you did the partial derivatives right, but I have to fail you because what the hell is this? And then look at this again, and they're like, what the fuck? And then they'll go up and they'll be like, why is this guy's name BTS? I hope they pass you one time for being Cholpin. I think they should pass me for this. Everything else they should fail me for. But this guy deserves it. This guy is... He's beautiful. Everything else is... Actually, I kind of like this guy a lot. I kind of like this guy. I don't know why I pointed to him there. I kind of like this guy. The song is really good. Okay, I'm getting rid of the Cholpers. They scare me. Here, I'm gonna put them directly into your DMs, Clem. Where I need to drop them away from me. They need to get out of my I'm releasing them into the world. There you go. You can have them. Someone take them from me. Our server's gonna have no idea what I just put them in our server. It's just said the chulps. Oh, that's not confusing at all. I'm such a good admin. My chulper nation. If I had moments, I was here for the chulps. That would be like a moment I would give you guys. Like a badge that says like Chulper Nation. Oh no, what is this? Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Ew. Oh, never mind. It's not that bad actually. Who was here for Pinot moment? Like original Pinot moment? Dude, that was so long ago. That was like soup. That was soup moments also. That was over the summer. Pinot and Chulpers? Yeah, Pinot definitely. Who was here for the original Drown Him Friday? When we started that. Okay, so DKDM is gonna be 1/2 V squared. And Crush Crush Cookie Clicker and Boy Wife Dating Game. Wait, what? Boy Wife Dating Game? What was that? What is that? Hello? Hello? What does that mean? Oh, blush, blush. I thought you meant like me. I was like, okay. I forgot the name. That makes a lot more sense. Damie dating sim when? Oh no. Some of my chat would like that too much. I think a little too much. Help. It's okay, I can say that. I don't think any of them are here. Anti-dating sim where you block them on Twitter. Game where I block you on Twitter. That's the game.
Okay, you can hear me, but it's gonna sound really bad.
Oh, that fixed it. I think it did. It doesn't look like it's coming up with a bunch of extra random noise anymore. A beautiful broken pipe hissing. I don't know, my computer's kind of fucked up. It does like some weird shit sometimes. I can't control it. I just use it. Use Clause's theorem to show that if the third order partial derivatives of f are continuous, then I think I know what they mean. It sounded like a mix of a broken pipe hiss and like very peaceful wind. That sounds like enjoyable. If they're continuous, f of y x y equals f of y y x. It's because like it's a solid 6 out of 10. That's a lot better than my other one where it just sounded like popping and like wait, clip it so I can see it. Let me see. What is Clairaut's theorem? I don't take French. Okay. So what this is saying is clipping on mobile is annoying. Okay, that's real. This is saying that f, we can write this as f of x, y, y, which equals dy of d squared f dy dx, which equals d cubed f d squared y dx equals, you know, and so on. I'm kidding. What is this? Where do they give more of an example of this? Whoa! Whoa! Alexa, okay, wait. I don't need this to be another Pinot moment, but like, listen to this. Alexis Clairaut was a child prodigy in mathematics. He read L'Hôpital's textbook on calculus when he was 10 and presented a paper on geometry to the French Academy of Sciences when he was 13. At the age of 18, Clairaut published A Thing in French That I Can't Speak French, which was the first systematic treatise on three-dimensional analytic geometry and included the calculus of space curves. What did this guy look like? Did he die at like 14? No, he didn't. Oh no, never mind. This is not a Pinot moment. He looks like a little... He looks like a little scary. Well, not scary. He's imposing. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see this guy? This 18-year-old who invented mathematics. Guys, this is why I stand Pinot. Look at Pinot down here. And then look at this guy. And then look at Pinot again. And then look at this guy. And then... Yeah, we gotta be glad we stand Pinot. Could not be me. Imagine. Look at how friendly Pinot looks. Look how gentle and friendly he is. Look at how many beautiful things he did as well, Pinot. Not this guy. This guy is... I'm getting rid of him. He's gone. I'm deleting him right now. He's gone forever. I think I could just like swap these around differently, and then this can equal like basically like he's gone forever. Yeah, get wrecked. This can just equal D. Okay, are we back? Did my entire computer crash? Did my VTube Studio crash? Oh, my VTube Studio... Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, VTube Studio. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. What's happening? This is what I mean when I say, like, I use my computer, but it sort of uses me, in a way. Do I just need to restart my... Oh. Damie's startled. Okay, there we go. Jesus Christ. Beautiful wind, but your laptop is fighting for its life. It kind of is. Yeah, you're right. It's not really that. I'm pretty sure my headphones, like, actually just break my computer, but I don't have any other headphones, so there's not really much I can do about it. Oh, I have to prove this for homework, I just realized. I can't just, like, bullshit this. Can I not just do this? Like, f of... Did that change anything? Yeah. Wait. 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 So y goes there. Then this would be yx. Wait. 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 You know, just mush this around with your hands and then it works? Let me go turn on a light. There's no lights in here. It's dark. It is, like, dark now. 1 second, I'll be right back. Have I ever been put in a meat grinder? I have not, actually, funnily enough. I know it's one of those things that's like on my list to do, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet, you know? Life just kind of gets a hold of you sometimes. How do I prove this? I'm thinking, and that's my thinking expression. We should get together and meat grind? That is a choice of words, and I read those words out loud. Yes, I will say that. Yeah, that's my answer. You know, being a streamer, I see words, I just read them. I don't really... That's what it means to be grinded. Yeah. Yeah. My reading... It's not that I don't have me at dinner, meat grinder, German emote. I like how I read that as like a series of functions. Like the first like this is like a function. I know you probably meant to say like me at dinner and then like an enter and like nothing and then like the meat grinder on the next line, but dude, why can't we just put Germa in here? Why can't it just be like this? Why can't I just have like Germa? This is why can't it just be like why can't we just take the partial derivative of Germa with respect to y? Jeremy Boo! What do you think taking a derivative of a person with respect to y would be? Me of dinner. I feel like it would, like a level curve is easy, right? Because that's just like, if this is a person, then like you're just a level curve would be like one slice of them. Like that's like a level curve of somebody. But like taking like a... What is react under stream? I'm going insane? I don't know. Oh, I think I do know, actually. Like, I'm supposed to, like, tell you guys to, like, do that so I can, like, see, like, what moments happen during stream? I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Which is strange. I reacted. I had an emotion. You had an emotion to this guy getting sliced up? This is my math homework. I can't have this guy on my math homework. Fuck. They're just gonna see this. They're gonna be like, why? Oh no. I really like his face though. I spammed funny all of one stream once. I sometimes see it. There was one time where I saw reactions. There was one Minecraft stream where someone actually like reacted. There were like some pogs or hearts or something. Sometimes I forget to check my stream analytics, I'm gonna be honest. What if I just drew like a big knife? Wouldn't that be funny? Teehee. I don't know why my camera is glitching out. These headphones are actually genuinely cursing my computer. They make it actively worse to use this computer. I don't know how. You always react from now on? What if I just drew like a big slicer? Oh my gosh. Oh my, I wish I could like, I wish I could spoil so much stuff about D&D, the D&D thing that I'm writing. But like, oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. I have so many good ideas though. One day I would like to play D&D on stream at some point with some group where I like DM, but and then have it like on YouTube after. That'd be fun. This guy's like kind of growing on me. He's just like really chilling. Like, look at him. What is this arrow pointing to? He looks like he's pineapple. I'm always reacting. Pineapple. He's so cute. What should I draw? Here, give me something to draw. This problem, I'm not going to do it right now. That means I'm done. That means I'm done with math. Behold, pineapple. Imagine running a campaign. Draw Germa and BTS kissing? Oh god, that's like... But BTS is Germa. You know that, right? Like... He's inside a problematic relationship. They would have beautiful, wonderful kisses. You know those ones? I'm gonna draw this in like the most realistic way possible. This is hyper-realism. This is exactly what it would look like. That's how you draw BTS's ears. The worst I've ever drawn them in my entire life. I'm so far behind stream, I just got to pineapple. Oh, get wrecked. You're missing the beautiful... You're missing this. Which maybe is a good thing. What does Germa's hair look like from the side? Oh, when he had his Hillary Clinton hair, that was funny. No, he has like kind of like a swoop like that. I'm laughing so hard, no noise is coming out of me. I haven't even got to the good part yet. I don't actually know what part of this image is the good part. Okay, the fact that like my stream setup is the way it is, and it's just like multivariable. Teehee. You guys didn't see the Reagan times Gojo from fucking Jujutsu Kaisen yaoi that somebody asked me to draw that I spent like 2 hours drawing. I commit to the bit. Oh, I know what the good part is gonna be. That's the good part. Party Rock is. No, he should be. That's not a speech bubble. That's a whisper. That's a whisper bubble. Which one of them is saying it? You'll never know. Is BTS like BTS has to be like standing on something? Oh my god. Why does he look like that? Why does he look like that? Oh, okay, he looks like that, I guess. They're saying at the same time, practically linked. This is a tail up twerker pose. Oh god. Why is his little ass sticking out? Yeah, for real. I don't know. Ask the artist. He's standing on a step stool. And I guess Germa has to be like, how does this work? What is this? Okay, that's as much as I'm gonna draw. I'm not drawing any more of a person for this. There are tears coming out of my eye. Oh, now we can't see the full image. There we go. Now it's better. He's standing on a really tall chair. Like a very precarious chair. Oh, and Germa has his like his like waist brace thing on. His male wife VR brace. There we go. This is, you know, this is multivariable calculus, guys. Guys, this is multivariable calculus. I'm your professor, Professor Damie. You can call me Damie. You can call me Damien. I have office hours every Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays, except I get drowned on Fridays. This is just the syllabus for our course. I need this on billboards. Germa's true height. Germa is taller than BTS. BTS is like how tall is he? He's like as tall as my leg. Clem, you know those like those videos where they like have like the phone and like the images on the phone and they like send it up to like the big skyscraper? Can you put this image on the building? Do you know what I'm talking about? It's like the green screen. What is that? What app is that? Wait, image getting thrown from phone up onto building. I don't know how to do it. Phone puts picture on building meme. TikTok. No, don't make me. I don't want to edit it. Template? Oh god, I might have to actually. Person using phone to drag an image onto a building. Wait. This is gonna be like... Wait. This app is called Vita. Template on the golden. Did we ever find it? Oh, we found it. Wait. No. Vita. Yes. Yes, I found it. This. Please. Wait. Create now. Create now? Can I make it? Dude, this is gonna give me like some fucking virus. Wait, it's an Apple app. I don't have a Mac. Wait, it's on Apple Music? Please, does someone have an Apple phone? Please. Please, can you put this image on it? This music is like really fitting. Oh my god. It's Party Rock is. I don't have an Apple phone. Oh no. Oh, well. I guess I think we'll just have to stay in our dreams then. How do you explain what's happening here? I think you don't. I think you don't. I think you just, it's an experience. It's just gonna be in my homework. It's gonna be in my homework. I'm gonna like accidentally like... I'm gonna like turn in like a PDF like for my homework that like is supposed to be of the problems, and it's just gonna like have this image at the end of it because of you guys. Okay, is there any other images I should draw? What else? I can draw a little Damie. It's on the Google Play Store. I'll do a little Damie moment. Oh god. I need to like properly draw. I keep drawing like little things, but like nothing like really big. A little Damie for your pocket. Keep him in your pocket and he will tell you all the answers. Look at that good little guy. Oh, little Damie. I always forget his halo. I genuinely keep forgetting his angel stuff, and I'm like, bro, that's my whole thing. I am an angel cat boy. What do you do otherwise? A little Damie for your pleasures. I'm not gonna ever say that sentence again either. It's been a really great stream of things that I should just never say, ever. Again. And then I'll draw Pete.
Use my webcam mic. How does this sound, guys? Does it sound really good? Does it sound awesome? If it sounds the same, I'm gonna cry.
Okay. I don't think it's wind anymore. I don't know what this is. This is just a big guy. It sounds great. Oh no, does it sound like really bad? At least it's silly. Oh, big guy, so cute. FNAF? Huh? You want me to draw FNAF? Okay. Five Nights at Freddy's, that's where I want to go. Five Nights at Freddy's, under the mistletoe. There's a karaoke stream now. No, webcam mic sounded bad. Yeah, I figured. Oh wait, are you saying the mic sounded like FNAF? Not that I should draw FNAF. Too bad. I'm drawing FNAF. Five Nights at Freddy's. That's where I want to go. That video lives in my brain. How do you... I've drawn too much, Freddy. Five Nights at Freddy's. This little bow tie. I think one of the reasons I majored in mechanical engineering was probably Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm not gonna lie. Find you any mechanical engineer and say, did you do this because of Freddy? And if they say no, then they're lying. Return of the Storm mic? Wait a second, how bad does it sound? And then I'll draw Pete. Oh. Oh my god, wait, that's so bad! Wait, you... That sounds like I'm getting, like, electrocuted! That sounds like I'm speaking in my tongue is made of voltage. Holy shit! That's crazy. Okay, I guess we'll fix it. I'll definitely fix it sooner. I thought it was just like kind of bad. That's like bad. Damn. I'm gonna give Betty a little gift. I love playing math. This is my favorite math. The fact that there's no math category on Twitch Oh, are we not back to storm, Mike? I'll probably wrap up soonish. So excited. I just draw like little creatures. I'm realizing that's what I do. I could draw a big creature. Oh yeah. That's what I've been waiting. I've just been chilling, like trying not to pressure Clem into having to like zoom around on the app. Take your time. Take your time. I will still be here. What should I draw? Should I draw like a... I guess I could draw some chulps. I can't find the template. There's no search function? This chulp is gonna have a really big nose. This is just a dinosaur. I'm just drawing a dinosaur. I've never drawn a dinosaur before, I don't think. How do they look? I've never really drawn horses either. That's kind of a lie. I mean, I've drawn, you know, a certain kind of horse. I actually don't know how My Little Ponies look. I feel like they look something like this. Oh, I've drawn horses. I've drawn unicorns. But like not like these kind of unicorns. Draw Damie, My Little Pony. Okay, I'll make this into Damie, My Little Pony. Oh god, okay. I have to like think about this. What would my cutie mark be? It's got to be like a derivative, right? Or like an integral? Okay, this is turning pretty cute. This is pretty real. This is pretty real. I feel like I'm like one step removed from like a pony anyway. I've got like big ears, you know? What is a cat but not if a small horse? Yeah? That was a sentence. Uh-oh, now we get to the hard part, which is the neck. I was never good at this part. How does it go into the body? Where does the horse body start? Uh-oh. What if I just didn't draw the rest of the body? That would be kind of like really cool, right? Oh god. Let me move some things around. Oh no. We don't need to see the It's Party Rock is. It's right in the middle. Why is it in the middle of everything? Why did I not move it first? Get out of here. Jesus. Guys, get a room. Okay. Now we have so much space for My Little Pony. Like, horses kind of have like a back that kind of like goes in and then like out, right? We'll say that that's real. Do they have legs like this? Uh-oh. Now we're really gonna see how much I can't draw horses. Okay, that's not awful, actually. That's like My Little Pony. There was something in there. There was something in there that clicked. Uh-oh. It left again. I finally found it. Yes, I'm so excited. Do you need the image? I can send you the image, the raw image. Oh, I shouldn't. Yeah, I'll say sure. Raw image. I'm committed now. Oh, Damie has to be an alicorn, right? No, I got it? Oh, perfect. He has to be an alicorn. He's the most helpful. He's the unicorn that teaches he's not a unicorn. He's the alicorn that teaches Twilight Sparkle how to do partial derivatives. Everybody remember that episode of My Little Pony? Remember the episode where they all learned partial derivatives and they went, wow, I love calculus. That was half-assed. That was really half-assed. God, what the hell is happening here? Oh god. There we go. I got a screenshot of the low res adds to the personality. Yeah, that's actually true. Best episode. There we go. Okay, now the most important part, the integral cutie mark. It's gotta be an integral, right? That's like the easiest thing. Because if I did like dy dx, it's like, sure. But you have an integral. That's real shit. You're in Calc 2 now, baby, the big leagues. This app is actually so stupidly easy to use. I need to use it more often to torment people. Please. Oh, we should just like, what if you like had an art fight attack that you just put on there and like that's how the person saw it. Like that was their first time seeing it, was just like through that app. You can input images to make awful edits. Yeah, it's great. It's like the ones that are like the floor washing away, right? And it like reveals the image. Maybe I'll have to do that. That sounds like something I would do. This is really cute, actually. That was a good suggestion. Does it look like? Yeah, it's not too bad. The head is a little scuffed, but like. He's got like little. I don't like this cross hatching. Could be cleaner. I don't like that either. That's better. There we go. Damie, My Little Pony fan. I feel like I've drawn Damie.
I can be the FNAF champion. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, you sent it. Oh my god, I'm this is wonderful. I need to, how do I like get this video? How do I get this like video image? Wait. Copy message link? Wait, how do I like just get this video? Do I have to download it? No. How do I get the video? Oh, no. Okay, wait. I guess I can full screen it. No, I can't. No, okay. I'll do this and then I'll upload it. Or no, can I open it? Oh god, you can hear the music. Okay. This is so good. I can just add it. I'll just change the capture. Everyone please look at this. I'm stopping the music. Wait, where's my music playing? Please, everyone. Oh wait, let me make sure this isn't too like loud. It is. Yeah, it is too loud. It is too loud. It is too loud. Oh, I'm so excited for this. You have no clue. Okay. Imagine, did that wait, please tell me that played. That played, right? It did. Imagine just like driving by, like in your car, and you see this. Imagine you like you're just driving like through like a city, and you just see this. It's big as a building. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm losing my mind. Wait, you have another one? Wait, is there a different one? Wait, there's another one. Why are there so many of these? This is beautiful. Wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. This is so beautiful. Wait, let me close it. Oh, wait, it's there, it's there. What am I thinking? This is the... It's so big. Look how big it is. Look how okay, wait a second. Look how massive this image is. This is like the size of a house. This isn't even the size of a house. This actually isn't even. This is like if you look at the windows, like if you count the windows, that's like gotta be like 8 stories or like 10 stories tall. That's so big. That's like, what even is that big? Like you just go into the city, an entire building. It's just this image. Oh my god. I have 3, but I can't send the last one because I don't have nitro and it's too big. Oh, that's really funny. Those are really funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. That killed me. I'm dead. Holy shit. Oh. Well, I hope everyone had a good time. That was great. That was awesome. Oh my god. My head hurts from laughing too hard. Oh, the building, it was so tall, and the second one was so much taller. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Love wins. Love wins, guys. Okay, I have to go write an essay. I mean, unless you guys want essay writing stream, I'm not going to give you essay writing stream. That would be way too boring. That would be like my streams are like boring, but like essay writing stream would be like way too boring. Good luck. Thank you. It's like mostly there. I just need to like crank out the last bit of it. I'll be back. So I'll probably be back Sunday. Yeah, maybe Sunday. That's probably right. And we'll probably do physics. Either physics or maybe also some manufacturing stuff. I wish I can show you guys my horses next stream that I made. I made 2 metal horses in this casting class. I just showed up and then I was like, hey, can I be in this class? And he's like, we don't have any seats. And I sat down and there were like seats. And he was like, I don't know how that happened. And then I got into the class, so I guess that's it worked out. So yeah, I don't know how to end that. I'll see you later. I hope everybody has a good rest of their week, because I have a performance on Friday. I have labs and stuff tomorrow. So, I'll see you guys on the weekend. And I hope you have a good day, have a good week, and I'll see you later. Bye!